In the shadows of government spending lies the so-called black budget, funds allocated for projects so secret, not even Congress knows their full extent. These funds are often hidden within various government departments, making them nearly impossible to trace. The secrecy surrounding the black budget raises many questions. Could this hidden money be fueling secret space programs? Some believe that these clandestine funds are used to develop advanced technologies and explore the far reaches of space, away from public scrutiny. The idea of a secret space program is tantalizing, suggesting that humanity might already be venturing beyond our known frontiers. What mysteries could be uncovered if these programs were brought to light? Each year, billions of dollars are funneled into classified programs. Officially, these funds support advanced weapons and intelligence. These programs are often shrouded in secrecy, with only a select few having full knowledge of their true scope and purpose. The official narrative suggests that these funds are crucial for national security, enabling the development of cutting-edge technology and sophisticated intelligence operations. However, there are growing suspicions and theories among some experts and enthusiasts that these vast sums of money might also be financing something far more extraordinary: off-world operations. These speculations include everything from secret space missions to potential contact with extraterrestrial civilizations, raising questions about what is truly happening behind closed doors. Rumors of secret space programs have circulated for decades. Leaked documents and whistleblower accounts hint at technology far beyond anything publicly acknowledged. Consider the development of stealth technology. What if similar black-budget projects are producing craft capable of interstellar travel, or at least orbiting in secrecy? Facilities like Area 51 are thought to be hubs for testing classified aerospace technology. Could these bases also house elements of a hidden space fleet? During the Cold War, black budgets were justified by the intense arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union. These secretive financial allocations funded covert operations, advanced weapons development, and intelligence activities. Today, with rising global tensions and the establishment of the U.S. Space Force, there are indications that these hidden expenditures could be ramping up once again. Modern threats, including cyber warfare, space-based defense systems, and advanced missile technologies, necessitate significant investment in classified projects. As nations strive to maintain technological superiority, the shadowy world of black budgets continues to play a crucial role in national security. The parallels between past and present spending trends highlight the ongoing importance of these concealed financial strategies. Fact or speculation, the black budget remains a mystery. Subscribe to emgotv1 to uncover the stories they don't want you to know.